Hello, my brothers and sisters. MC Holy Man don't come again. You know, I tell you people say, if something where they happen not gree finish, word not go fit finish for my mouth. I go dey talk with they see. This my channel is only place you can know what is happening inside marriage. Before I start, please, if you never subscribe, I beg you in the name of God, hit that notification bell for Holy Man. Please. And not be Zube when they use gun, they force people to subscribe. You know what is good for your friend? Yeah, thank you. The topic today is the power of women. I tell you, I say now women get power pass for this one. What is it that they like? Women get power pass men. Only jealous men they jealous. Men jealous pass women, and people not believe. If we slide, man can marry 3 wives, but a woman can never marry 2 husbands. When they marry one husband, go cheat alone, problem come. Who cheat? Who jealous pass? It's not men. Men. Okay, let's go to the topic. I want to tell you now how this woman take get a cheating husband back home. These 2 couple, after they are married, their life is good. Now, this woman have one friend. The friend always come to the house. So, when he reach one day, the man come back for work. The man just rush. The woman come say, honey, what is happening? The man say nothing. When the man do fin, the man never know how to go. That the man come tell the wife, say, I won't go your friend house. Your friend call me now. Say snake dey in house. Now the woman say, snake dey my friend house. Honey, please be careful. Take am easy. Take cutlass. Now the man come take cutlass, go kill snake for the wife friend house. They can't go. The time the man reach there, only God know what happened. After everything, the man come back. The time the man come, the wife come ask her, honey, I hope everything is okay. Yeah, I killed the snake. If you see the snake, very big snake. The woman don't know say the snake when the husband they talk. Say the woman, the friend, everything is fine. So after 3 days again, when man chop something or a woman, when never belleful, always need more. So the woman the woman called the woman again. And so the man come tell the honey, hey, you see one thing? Your friend called me. The cutlass when I take his snake, I forget am for them. Oh God. The woman say, it's true. Oh yeah, honey, go bring the cutlass. Now, honey, go bring cutlass. Oh, honey, go there. Oh yeah. Then start the business. 1, 2, 3 times. You no need to hide them again. Now the business gonna continue. They come, they knock them, they go. Now the woman house now come no. Say, this thing, not be snake my husband, they go, they kill again. No problem don't come. True, problem come. The woman totally lost the husband. The husband know anything concerning the woman again. Every time this woman always think. This woman always think. This woman always think. This woman not know what she go do. Now I come reach one day. Now the woman say, okay. I know what to do. If the man come back house again, the woman cook, the man will just chop the food, go another place, go eat. Now I come reach the day. This woman come cook again, find the better soup, banga soup, where this man they like. Now this woman come cook and put plenty meat. The time he cook and finish, this woman go market, go buy this, what they call am, this just catapult pint. This woman buy am. This woman buy this braisy. where they take the whole breast. That where they put support for under. This woman buy am. This woman wear this thing. If you see this woman here, frontage. The woman get backyard before, get back castle. Now, and they come put this ring again. The man not know. The woman just ties small wrapper, cover everything, never want the man to know. So the woman come they eat. The woman come they talk to her. Honey, today when you finish now, where did they go? The man say, where they go? I won't go outside now, go see. This woman not know what she go do. Problem, this woman come they, well, this man say, I must try this thing. Now he come reach. The man ate finish. This woman go inside. This woman pack plate, he come out. You know how they do it for bongo now? This man come the window. They monitor the husband. They monitor the husband. They monitor the husband. As the husband they come out, now this woman come boss, cry oh. Hey whoa, daddy, come. See snake. Snake is in my room. Snake in our house. The man run come. Oh, bring cutlass. The cutlass when you take it that my friend own. Bring them. The man carry cutlass. The man run come from parlor. No. My room. The snake is inside my room. Now the woman can enter room. The man come they find snake. Where snake? Now I tell him, see him. He don't under the bed. The snake don't under the bed. As the man they find snake. Where the snake now? See me go here. As the man they find snake. I the woman come out the wrapper. Keep one side. The man not know. I the woman come tap the husband. Daddy, see the snake. Now the man come raise head up. Where the snake? Says, yeah, see the snake. I'm the snake. No snake in this house. No snake. As the man he look here again, he can't be new. He can't look down. See catapult to here. He see it down. It go by here. Now you know man now, so we born stand strong. Now the woman can't tell him, Daddy, you forget everything. You forget me morning, afternoon, evening. You forget me morning, me afternoon, me evening. You forget everything, Daddy. You forget everything so soon. This snake will go kill in this house today. You know they go outside go kill snake today. Now the woman come hold the man. You know now power of woman. No. Today I want to rest. The man started to speak tongue. Before they know, no. The woman. Before they know. Before you know, Ebola don't enter inside the River Jordan. Now they start work. The man come dey kill snake. He kill wawa. As they finish, now the woman come tell the man, Daddy, please finish this snake here. No go outside go kill another snake. This snake dey house here. The snake where they house no be pass the one where they house here. We must kill this snake today. Now the man can't start to kill snake from inside house. That is how the woman get the husband back. The husband when he don't lose. You see, when I tell and say women have sense, past men, I think in Allah they talk. Women sense, their sense when they sit down to think, they think faster than men. But only problem when they had when they provoke, they don't know how to handle it. That is the problem. For the issue of cheating, men is 95% for cheating. Women is only 5%. Women when the husband house. That is the problem. We talk issue of jealous is men. We jealous past women. If you don't know, woman can see the husband with another woman. You not go talk, but the man can never see the husband with another woman. You not talk. Go fight now. Why you not go fight? You must fight. That is the problem we have, and people don't know. So the woman takes snakey. bring the husband back out the house. We say the husband na snake killer, make he come kill snake for house. Thank you for this one. Tomorrow, I will bring another story for you people. Wetin dey happen inside marriage na here, this channel, this Ekufu Holy TV, you dey see am. Thank you. God bless you. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.